Hey guys, Help Videos Gaming More here. I'm making a review about the Artistrocat shotgun. I'm wearing this SF headset, swamp body, and SF pants. You can get the SF gear from the Shock Force kit. I'm wearing the SF headset because it's plus 50% damage from shotguns, and this is a shotgun, so okay, let's start. Okay, so just get some points right there. Okay, what I like about this gun is that you can shoot pretty far. Like, okay, that was a fail. It does a lot of damage, and you can shoot very far with it. Okay, I didn't really get to properly introduce it because of all that jumped up. Okay, now what I'm trying to show you is that how far it can shoot and how good it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go down there because I saw a guy's name tag. I think go down here. See? Well, I'm not doing a very good job right now. Let's see if I can find some. Okay. I shot that person, and that makes no sense. I shot that person first. But it doesn't matter. I can still always do it again. See how far range I can do with this gun. I was just trying to get away from that wolf there because I knew I need to kill that wolf because people were going to shoot me from all angles if I did try. So I decided not to shoot the wolf, but someone still killed me. I'm going to leave that point there for someone who needs it. A lot of people are using this gun right now. Trying to make sure I'm hitting a person, not a wolf, because then the wolf will start attacking me. It's like every person in this map is using this gun. Didn't even aim for the wolf. Okay, well, I'll just do 2 matches then, because I didn't really understand this match. Also, if anyone can help me, when I opened my game, I lost my double barrel shotgun. I won it back from the event, of course. It was 500 gold. I also lost my, where is it? I just passed it. I lost my heavy machine gun. They took it away from me. I don't know why. It's just says buy, and also anti-material sniper rifle. They also took that away from me, and I don't like that. 'Cause I like my rifles. I mean the snipers. Okay, well, just camp in one spot. Okay. So I'm gonna just... This always ruins videos. Now that I'm back here, people are gonna be shooting me. I don't want to shoot that wolf. Well, now I'm gonna have to. Alright, so, alright. I like, the range of this gun. You can shoot just... I know I've already explained before, but you can just shoot really far, and I like that. Shoot really far and still get a one shot. Like that, see? I feel like this gun is way too powerful with this hat on, because it boosts the damage by 50%. And this gun is already really strong. See, I'm one-shotting everybody right here. Except for that one, but... Right, now I'm just gonna show you just some gameplay. Alright, this gun is very powerful. People keep killing me with this, and I keep killing people with it. So, it's just really powerful. Before this gun was ever made, I used to destroy everything with the blunderbuss, because nothing was too overpowered before this was made. I mean, even the thumper, I would still beat people even though they had the thumper, because all I had to do was get close range, and they would kill themselves if I didn't get to shoot them. So, I don't like people who hide. I don't know how he got the one shot, but I didn't. Maybe you gotta have like a certain amount of health to not get one shot on you. Alright, I'm horrible at close range with this gun. I used to own everything with the blunderbuss. Only when the points for people who haven't completed the event. Because it just helps them out. I'm doing that for all the Halloween thing. Oh man. Okay, let's see if I can kill him. Alright, too many people are using this gun in this match. Alright, and that was the review of the that thingy. I forgot the name. That shotgun. It's really great. And bye.